Hi, and today we are excited to introduce our team's new project on the Metaverse. Our project topic is NFT store. We try to make a pure e-commerce website based on blockchain technologies. On this website, users can upload and purchase their own digital collections. In the process of generating transactions, we will use digital wallets to conduct transactions between users, and the product transaction information data will be uploaded to the blockchain database. For transaction process in your project, we will use the MetaMask digital wallet to complete our transaction process. First, the cryptocurrency exchange authorizes the MetaMask wallet. The wallet stores information and connects to our website account for minting. When a user makes a purchase, MetaMask will receive payment information from our website, and MetaMask will then return the transaction information to the crypto exchange to complete the transaction. For scenario and motivations, the motivation for group's decision to choose this project because in nowadays, the aerospace ability of NFT in blockchain technology is one of the future development trees. And people all over the world are increasingly aware of copyright. And people hope to in the internet world can have your own unique product. And the implementation of this project can help Australia to promote the development of blockchain technologies, help design majors people relieve employment pressure and improve social economic and protect against scarcity in the era of digital replication.
Here I'm going to introduce the primary users, use cases, and also features of our NFT store. The three primary users of our NFT store are the customers, vendors, and administrators. The customers can browse the website and buy NFTs. For the vendors, they can list and sell NFTs so that their use cases include add and manage NFT items. The administrator can also manage the items listed by the vendors. His job is to review and verify the listed NFTs and maybe do some broadcasting. Our website has 7 core features, which are first, the storefront, second, the category, which includes search function and recommendation of NFT, third, the ranking feature, which can rank the NFT items with seller's transaction volume or item price. We also have the crypto wallet here for the users to link to the digital wallet. Another important core feature is the purchase of NFT. The buyers can choose to purchase at the buyout price or through auction. The corresponding feature to purchase is selling NFT. The vendor can list or remove an NFT item here. The last core feature is definitely the security of the website. We also have a lot of optional features, including the shopping cart, the chat channel, and the broadcasting.
The class diagram represents classes, attributes, relationships, operations among various objects in the web pages they develop. And the class diagram in the UIM are used to represent static diagram. For the whole project is similar with the e-commerce platform, which concludes a class diagram based on basic classes, attributes, and functions related to the common e-store. On the left side, we can see some identical parts, such as user, engine, shopping cart, order, product, and etc. And also we get some different parts, such as digital wallet. It has some attributes, such as public address, smart contract, private address, and etc. For the objective diagram, we assume a case for customer not only set the user ID, link, password, email, and favorite list for all products that customer they like it, and also other detail for attributes such as the class of wallet, products, shopping carts, order, and order history based on the same operation. The object of vendor also set identical attributes value. I need to note is attributes of broadcast. We set a special value for it. The last object is administrator. For this object, we only need to set the basic attributes value. It's same to the former object.
I will now introduce 4 diagrams of the model, which is activity diagram, the interaction diagram, the state machine diagram, and the development diagram. So the first layer of the activity diagram, the interaction diagram, and the state machine diagram all have the 5 important components, which is login initialization, admin, purchase, vendor, and the search interaction. So due to the lack of time, I will only present the admin diagram in the activity, interaction, and the state machine diagram. So first of all, we can see that there are 4 only important components in the activity diagram, which is add category, management NFT items, energy order, and the manager user. So for example, if we need to add the category, so we need to add the modify explanation function. So similarly, if we manage the order, so we need to control or delete the order. So in the interaction diagram, we can first to see how the diagram goes further to management, the user management, order management, and NFT management. So in the state machine diagram, you can see how the 2 most important parts of the admin diagram, which is inventory management for NFT item, user management items. So for example, if in the user management items, we can see that we need to check the user information and the action and going to the ban to the user. And finally, if we finish the user management, so we can go to the final state. And in the development diagram, the execution architecture of the system is shown, including the nodes such as the hardware or software execution environment in the NFT store we design. For example, like the admin and online shopping, web server, and the customer's PC and the Windows PC, the 5 important things in the development diagrams.
In terms of development views, a package diagram is used to hierarchize the class of the application. All the APIs belong to an API package, while the main application belongs to a web package. In the web package, there are subsystems existing as the transaction package and the user package. The transaction package is composed of vendor and the product class, as well as the function for supporting the purchase process. The user package is a list of all provided services and the class which complete the core feature of the user interaction. Our team also make a change assessment during the design session, and there are 4 important factors. We have defined our project scope at the beginning of the design, and each time a change exists, it should be included in our scope. Then our team will discuss on the change to classify the impact on the project and whether it is appropriate to our topic. Moreover, the consumption of the development time is also considered as a factor due to the stressful time limitation. At the end, we have determined our acceptance level for our project, which are the context matches our project scope, evaluate whether it is achievable, and the time it may spend. That's the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching.